કેમ છો બાળકો? મજામાં છો ને? તો આજે આપણે ધોરણ 5 યુનિટ 6 એની પોએમ ક્લેનલીનેસ એની પોએમ છે મધર અર્થ. આજે આપણે પોએમનો રાગ શીખીશું. તો ચાલો શીખવાનું શરૂ કરીએ. Our earth is quite a special one. Our earth is quite a special one. It gives us water, soil and sun. It gives us water, soil and sun. People and animals share the land. People and animals share the land. Let's all lend a helping hand. Let's all lend a helping hand. You can save water and plant a tree. You can save water and plant a tree. Make a better home for free. Make a better home for free. Recycle things, don't throw away. Recycle things, don't throw away. Make every day an Earth Day. Make every day an Earth Day.